Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit. In this video, we will dive deep into the specifications, features, and overall performance of these two popular smartphone gimbals. Whether you're a beginner looking for an affordable option or a professional seeking advanced features, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $109, making it an excellent budget-friendly option for casual users. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit comes with a higher price tag of $229, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're looking for value for money, the Mobile Plus stands out, but if you need more professional features, the M6 kit may justify its cost. While both gimbals share the iSteady 7.0 stabilization technology, the Mobile Plus lacks advanced features like AI tracking and built-in lighting found in the M6 kit. The M6 kit's AI tracking sensor and adjustable fill light make it a more versatile tool for serious content creators, providing enhanced performance in various shooting conditions. Battery life is crucial for any videographer. The Mobile Plus offers up to 13 hours of use, which is impressive for its price range. However, the M6 kit takes the lead with an extended battery life of up to 18 hours, making it a better choice for longer shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The Mobile Plus is perfect for beginners and those on a budget, while the M6 kit is tailored for professionals who require advanced features. Whichever you choose, both gimbals will help you capture stunning videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.